Welcome today to Vertical Greens. We just got organic certified. So this means that all the produce that we are growing inside the microgreen facility and inside the mushroom containers, it's all organically certified. We are very excited about this. It's a very, very big milestone to reach because we've been really working hard to get this done. And I promised you guys a video every week before Christmas. We just simply didn't have time. We've been so busy. We've been busy with the certification of organic, and we also have been very, very busy with a new project that we are coming up with. We are going to start helping growers in the world, in the whole wide world. We are going to help you guys start your own farm like this. So we are now creating something that can give you guys the knowledge to help you start up your farm, help you set it up the right way for maximum efficiency, and also just spread the love of vertical farming, like what we enjoy doing, what our passion is about. It's been very, very busy the last month and a half, 2 months. As some of you know, I was in Copenhagen delivering for my business partner over there. So that's the whole January went with that. We just set up an email list, and if you click the link in the description, you can add yourself to the email list, and then you will get all the news whenever we launch something. So you will be one of the first ones to know what is going to happen and how it's going to happen. If you go to the link in the description, you will find a link, and there you will be able to add your email address so we can email you whenever we have any news about what we are going to launch very soon. So this is something that's probably very interesting for you. Just to give you quite a little tour of the facility. So we are growing microgreens, and we are growing microgreens vertically. We're growing a lot of different varieties. We grow cutters products, and we grow live products, and we grow mushrooms as well. So the mushroom farm is basically set up in a way that all the air we use in here, we reuse in the containers. So the containers is food grade, and they are set up to be maximum efficient in a way that we can grow as many mushrooms as possible, and we can get as much profit as possible, because a lot of vertical farms in the industry don't know how to make a nice profit, because they are probably invested in many things that doesn't really matter. What matters is making a nice product, being able to sell that product, and then finding the right customers to sell that product to. So this is something that we've been working with for like 5 years now. And 5 years prior to that, we were running the most successful grow shop in Denmark, meaning that we introduced LED lights to the Danish market and the Danish consumers. So all the lights and everything that we are using with the equipment is specifically set up in a way so we will maximize the efficiency with as low cost as possible and with as high a quality as possible. This is what we have been doing for a decade now, working in the horticultural industry. We've been going to a lot of fairs in the outside of Denmark, and just meeting up with a lot of people in the industry, networking, learning how to set everything up, and learning how to make a profitable business. This is the main thing about our business, is that we want to be profitable. We want to create something that can withstand economic hard times, and also being able to sustain a better future, because this is local. This is food that we are growing locally. Yeah, we have some pea shoots here, for example. This is something we can grow all around the world, and we can, as long as there's electricity, well, we can make this work. This is maybe something that's interesting for you. If you are looking for an opportunity within the vertical farming sector, then sign up for our email list that is in the description, because we are going to provide a lot of value there. If you like the value we produce for you here on YouTube, the value on the email list will be even greater. So we hope to see you there. This is amaranth that we are growing, and it's a quite difficult microgreen to grow because they are often dampening off. We found some of the solutions to growing it in an efficient way to minimize the dampening off and to minimize the death rate of the trays. Really interesting to grow and really difficult to grow as well, but we are managing. Everything you're seeing here is something we spent the last 5 years fine-tuning and figuring out how to grow it in an efficient way. What products to grow, what do our customers like, who is our customers, and all those things. This is something that we've been working very hard to establish and to make into a business and a business model that we can recreate anywhere in the world. And this is something that we are considering right now to start scaling up other places around the world, hopefully with the help of you guys. And our intention is to bring the vertical farming sector to another level regarding the microgreen growing. As you can see here, our facility is very big. We do in excess of 1 million euros in revenue each year in just selling microgreens. So basically just microgreens like this and also cutted products. So we both have this and we cut the products as well. Yeah, we've been having great success doing this so far. Often I read online that vertical farming is not a profitable sector, you can't make money in it, and it's not something that works long term because a lot of big companies, I'm not going to name any names, but a lot of big companies have been getting a lot of investments, but some of them already went bankrupt, and that's a shame, of course, and it's not good for the sector, but it doesn't mean that the whole sector is not worth looking at, because there is definitely things to make work, and we have some of the things here. There is also a facility at this facility that we've never shown you, for example, because this is kind of like our secret sauce, but maybe in the future we're going to show you that. We have a different point of view on this, that we want to show you guys, and we want to prove to the world that it's possible to make a business grow within the vertical farming sector. We've done projects in France, in UK, the Netherlands, and basically many places. We have a project in Czech Republic, one in Austria as well. And it is definitely possible to make it work. It's just not all produce you can make work. We like to work with microgreens, and we like to work with mushrooms, and we like to work with some species of microgreens and mushrooms, and there's definitely some new things coming up as well that we've been testing. So yeah, it's really interesting to see what the future holds, and if you are interested in getting the news, like when we are going to launch what we have been working on for the last couple of months, then go to the link in the description and sign up on our newsletter, because we are definitely going to provide a lot of value for you there. So hope to see you there. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.